Hi, my name is Josh and I'm a percussionist studying studio music and jazz here at the Frost School of Music at the University of Miami. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some different percussive sounds that we can make with things you might have lying around your house or even that you might be able to find outside in nature. We're going to start with some things that might remind you of chores. We have a trash pan here, some food things, sweeping, and we could get a lot of different sounds out of these. This one you could bend the pitch, it's a low pitch, and we could also get some different sounds by lifting it up and letting in more air. Let's see what we could do with this. And then the same with this one. This one's much more metallic, and if you squeeze the sides, it actually gets higher in pitch and then lower in pitch. So that's fun. These things are very fun to experiment with, see all the different sounds you could get. Now we have the hand sweeper. You could get a very legato tone by using the side of the brush on the back, or if you want a more percussive staccato tone, you could take the tops of the brushes of the bristles and hit it along different sides. Now for some more shaker type sounds and scraping, we have these different cups over here. This one's full of some small rocks. These rocks are a little bit bigger, and we have some dried leaves. And you can tell that the size of the cup and the size of the rocks actually changes the tone. There's some different keys here as well. And these are going to give you a more metallic type sound shaker. Now, I don't want to remind you guys of homework, but you might have planners sitting in your bag. You could actually make some cool sounds with these by using the side spirals and maybe a pencil. Now moving into the kitchen, we have just some basic forks, utensils, and some different measuring cups, candles, mugs, a flower pot. And these are all different sizes, so they give off different notes. Let's see if we could create some melodies. Some other notes that we can make come out of bottles you guys might have lying around. We have some liquids in them, and let's see if it makes a difference if there's more liquid or less liquid. We could see that the more liquid you have, the higher pitch you get. We have some dry leaves you could whirl around, and then these other leaves, which are fresher, they have a different sound, a lot more quieter, and some rocks. These are some rounder rocks. They're a little bit bigger, and they give you a low tone. You can get a lot of different tones by letting in more air or squeezing them. These are smaller flat rocks. And then lastly we have some coral rocks. These are much quieter. You guys might not know this, but you are actually percussion instruments yourselves. There's a lot of different sounds that we could get out of our body by just using our hands and our different body parts. Starting up top, you could use your mouth and bend the pitch with your hands to come up with some cool different melodies. You could snap your fingers, you could clap, you could rub your fingers together. Then if we work our way down, you could get a lot of different sounds using your hands. Different parts of your hands will create different sounds. If you use your palms, or if you use the tips of your fingers, and then where you hit. There's so many options. You could actually create your own beats without any instruments. Let's see if we could put everything together and come up with something cool. That was just a quick example. I encourage you guys to experiment on yourselves, come up with some different grooves, and have fun doing it.